Meet Wire Composer. Ship automations, not scripts. Describe what you want in plain English. We turn that into a live pipeline you can run today. No code required. Most teams still glue workflows together by hand. Endless scripting for every integration. Pipelines that break when an API changes. Hours lost debugging instead of building what matters. Wire Composer flips that. You describe the outcome, like chaining a search, a detail call, and a transform. DeepSeek passes your intent into a visual graph on a React Flow canvas. Each node is a real Anakin wire action. Connected with data mappings you can see and edit. 3 beats. Parse your prompt into steps. Run the pipeline step by step with live status on the canvas. Then schedule it on a cron or trigger it from a webhook. So the same workflow runs when you need it, not only when you're at the keyboard. You get a full visual pipeline builder, real-time execution with green and red step feedback, and Anakin wire behind the scenes. Polymarket, GitHub, Airbnb, Product Hunt. Ready to build your first automation? Open the composer, pick an example or type your own prompt and run. Join builders shipping workflows in minutes, not days. Starting on the landing page, same glass and blue system as the deck. Dot grid, soft glow, clear hero. Build web automations in plain English. Scroll if you want, but the point is simple. One click into the composer. In the composer, the left rail is your examples, verified Anakin wire workflows. I'm opening the Polymarket one. Search election markets, full market, order book, and price history. 6 nodes on the canvas. First node, search markets, query and limit in the inspector. Extract pulls the first market ID from the search results. Market full loads tokens and metadata. Second extract grabs the CLOB token ID. Then the flow splits. Order book on one branch, price history on the other. Same token, 2 reads. I'll run the full pipeline. Watch each node go running, then success. The important part is the last 2 steps. Order book and price history. Order book, bids and asks from Polymarket's CLOB. Price history, the interval series for that token. That's live wire data, not hard-coded John. If I need to override a field, like a different search query or a specific token, I type it in the inspector. My value wins over the upstream mapping for that run. Now save. Name the pipeline, hit save. It lands in the library with an unsaved changes badge cleared. Schedule. Open schedule, pick weekly. That stores a cron on the server, so this Polymarket depth check can run every week without me touching it again. That's the loop. Land, compose, run, inspect real outputs, save, schedule. Wire Composer on Anakin Wire. Thanks for watching.